Have you ever needed to pay a friend back for dinner, split a bill with roommates, or send money to a family member and wished there was an easier way than cash or writing a check? Well, if you're a Bank of America customer, the solution is right in your pocket. I'm talking about Zelle, a fast, free, and easy way to send and receive money directly from your Bank of America account. First things first, to use Zelle, you need to be enrolled. If you're not, it's a super simple process. Just log into your Bank of America mobile app. From the home screen, tap on Pay and Transfer, and then select Zelle. If you see a setup screen, just follow the prompts to enroll your U.S. mobile number or email address. Once that's done, you're all set. Now, let's talk about sending money. In the Zelle section of your app, tap Send. You can select a contact from your phone or add a new one using their U.S. mobile number or email. Just make sure it's someone you know and trust, because once you hit send, the money moves fast and you can't cancel the payment. Once you've chosen a contact, enter the amount you want to send and an optional memo, like "for dinner last night." Review the details to make sure everything is correct, and then confirm the payment. In most cases, the money will be in your recipient's account in minutes. And what about receiving money? It's even easier. If someone sends you money to the email or phone number you enrolled with Zelle, you'll get a notification, either a text or an email, letting you know the money is on its way. Since you're already enrolled, you don't have to do anything else. The funds will go directly into your Bank of America account within minutes. If you're not yet enrolled, the notification will include a link to get started. Just follow those steps to receive your payment. It's really that simple. So whether you're paying back a friend or getting paid for your share of the rent, Zelle with Bank of America makes it quick and painless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.